Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you 3 licks that anybody can play. Show reel. Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to master licks that beginners can start playing and, showing some speed. All right? Easy for everybody. So that lick that you saw in the intro is very simple. It's an A minor and starts like this. It's with a tapping. So the first note is 12. Then the next note is 10 on the first string. So then after 10, you play again 12, and then you play 8. So far we have this. Then after 8, you play again. You play 12, and you play 7. So far, we have this. Then you play 12 again, and then you play 5. So far, we have this. And you repeat. And then you play to make a variation of that. So if we take out of the equation your right hand, you're doing this. With your left hand, all right? And in between that, you play the 12. And that's that. With a little bit of practice and coordination, you can have a very interesting lick for you guys. All right? Lick number 2. So 17, 15, 12, 17, 15, 12, 18, 15, 12, 18, 15, 12. And that's with 1, and this is with 2. And there you go. And the last one, and the most effective one, all right? This involves tapping as well. So you can do this. So it's 12, then 10 with your left, and then 12 with your left. And 12 and 10 again with your left, and then 12 with your right. All right? So it's like a pedal note on 12. So you're doing 12, 10, 10, 9, 9, 7, 7, 5, and then 5, 4. So. And the last one is 4, 2, 0. When you play it that open. So in other words, it's you can be creative and repeat some of them. You can do. So there you go. Show reel.